Okay, welcome to the fourth video in the Crystal Ball Blueprint series, Patterns, How to Find Tomorrow's Trends Today. And today we're talking about Pinterest. Now, as we all know, it's hard to keep up with the latest trends. You want to be on top of your game, but there's so much information out there, right? Now, trends go faster than ever before, but if you don't stay on top of things, you'll quickly be left behind. Pinterest Trends is another fantastic tool for our arsenal. This tool will show you what more than 450 million people are searching for on Pinterest, so that you can discover related ideas and content for your business. Now, Pinterest has become one of the most popular social media sites in recent years, and now with this trends tool you can get an inside look into what is trending. You'll also be able to see which topics have higher scores than others. They basically use the same methodology as Google Trends and index score data between 0 and 100. Now we get to see 1 year's worth of data and all the other suggestions Pinterest believes would be of interest to us. So let's start off with use case 1. What keywords are trending throughout the year? Now, let's say we sell popcorn. If we type popcorn, which I'll do right now, into Google Trends, we can see exactly how popular these search terms are throughout the year. Let's have a look. Not unsurprisingly, there is an uptrend before the holidays, so we can see for Christmas. So you want to make sure, obviously, that you're planning for the big Christmas push if you're in the popcorn business. Let's now look at use case 2 at complementary products and ideas based on what's trending. So here we can see relevant keywords based on that trend. And in this use case, a good idea would be to use popcorn recipes, popcorn seasoning, sweet popcorn recipes. So if you really want to own this niche, it would be fantastic to be able to do that. So what we can see here, right, here's some good examples. Obviously we can see everything tends to uptrend in the seasoning, but what it's also showing me is we can run content on popcorn recipes, we can run content on popcorn seasoning recipes, caramel popcorn recipes, flavored popcorn recipes. If you create content around your niche, you can really own your niche, because you get lots of people coming and obviously they'll buy your products. What's also interesting, which we can use for use case 3, let the market tell you what to create content for, which is very interesting, is this one here, popcorn bar. So you can see a popcorn bar has been gradually going up. Naturally it goes down probably after Christmas and then up again, but you can see it's gradually trending up almost beyond popcorn. So for me, if you're in the popcorn business, it would be a good idea to start creating popcorn bars. Obviously, you can go and you can add any more of these and you can go through them. We have to remove one. So let me remove one bar. Oh, popcorn balls. What are these? What are these? I'll show you exactly what they are. With Pinterest Trends, we can see the posts that are most popular to your business or niche, and in this case we can also see the most popular pins and create content around it. So if we click here on popcorn balls, we can see all the different content created to create what looks like very big popcorn balls. So if I was in the popcorn business, I would look to create popcorn balls. Let's have a look at popcorn bar. So if we look at, they've actually created popcorn bars, as in this sort of thing, like a bar for popcorn, I guess. I thought it would be bars of popcorn, but maybe I'm wrong. And let's look at one other example, popcorn recipes. So here we can see all the top different types of popcorn recipe and content. And whilst you're looking at here, you can also see the style of posts that you'd put on Pinterest. So you can see it's very colourful, but you also get to see the different types of styles that are getting the most engagement when you're doing your creative. Oh, by the way, sorry, if you want to go here, it's trends.pinterest.com. Okay, trends.pinterest.com. Let me give you another really cool tip, and this is called Pinterest Predicts. Okay, I can't possibly explain it better than how Pinterest describes it themselves, so I'll quickly read it. Before you see it everywhere, see it here. People use Pinterest to plan for the future. This means that we know what's next. In fact, 8 out of 10 of our predictions for 2021 came true. This isn't another year-end trend report. This is a not yet trending report, a window into the future. From the place where people go to plan it, let's look forward to 2022. This is Pinterest Predicts. So, how amazing that. So we can actually see all the different ways that, all the different things that that Pinterest are predicting are going to be big for 2022. So let's look at Limitless Lux. So here it's showing us all the different types of limitless luxury conversions, I guess, that sort of thing. Let's go back and let's have a look. Bestie Aesthetics, Flexercise, Relation Tips, I love all this. Night Moves, The Last Resort. Barkitecture, what a cracking idea. So Barkitecture, it's looking at all the different types of architecture for your pets. That is absolutely fantastic. Now, if you actually go to business.pinterest.com/en-gb/Pinterest-predicts, you will come here, which gives you another different insight. I mean, it's the same content, but it just shows you different things that you can do. So you can filter by audience or category. So if let's say we're looking at boomers, we can see the content that boomers are looking into. Curve appeal. So if you're in that kind of home interior design niche, you can create content all around curve appeal. And it's telling us the trending terms: round pool decking ideas, curved wall interior. So up by 4x. So if I click on this, it will then take us over to Pinterest and show us loads of content. So this is a treasure trove, really, to create content and to look at products. I mean, if you're in this niche, you could sell this kind of product. So I think that's it for Pinterest, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.